Greetings from Washington. My name is Rushan Abbas, and I'm the founder and executive director of Campaign for Uyghurs. We are brought together under the horrific circumstances of persecution and the tyranny brought on us by the despotic Chinese government. However, we must stand together as one to overcome and beat the oppressor. Campaign for Uyghurs stands in solidarity with the Taiwanese, Tibetans, and the Hong Kongers who, for decades, along with the Uyghurs, have been victims of gross human rights violations inflicted by Chinese government. The events taken place in East Turkestan, in Hong Kong, in Taiwan, and Tibet are akin to what led to the Tiananmen Square massacre 31 years ago. We study history by learn from it to avoid errors made by our ancestors and do better for our generation and the generations to come. However, history is repeating itself. The Tiananmen Square massacre, the Urumqi massacre, the Tibet uprising, amongst many other massacres, have been China's way of testing the water to see the reaction from the democratic world and to understand to what extent their illicit behavior would go unchecked. As our lands, our language, our culture, our history, and our lives are claimed, our ideas and our movement can't be taken as easily as long as we all stand together.